What's going on, everybody? Got a 2018 Dodge Challenger Scatpack in today for a full color change wrap. We're getting ready to do this one in the 3M matte military green. We've got a couple other things that we're going to put on it as well, but we're not going to talk about those just yet. You'll have to stay tuned and finish the rest of the video to find out. But we'll do a quick walk around. So we have not washed anything or taken anything apart yet, which we definitely want to do. This thing is pretty disgusting, but we take everything apart to mimic paint-like finishes. You know, these gaps on these Challengers are very, very tight. We don't want any of the existing color to be seen. And, you know, we can ensure disassembling it that, you know, it's not going to have any places to lift or peel up over time. So we'll take out the door handles, belt moldings, mirror caps, you know, the badges and all that good stuff as well. We also are going to have to take off this old wrap. We did not wrap this. This was done by another wrap company, but overall it looks really, really good. Looks like it's holding up well, not too old, maybe a year or so, but we'll definitely have to take that off to go ahead and start changing this color. Alright, so we have the old wrap finally peeled off, and this is a question that we get asked a lot. Will wrap actually hurt my paint? You know, this right here is a great example of how wrap can help protect your paint. Now, I know this wrap has only been on here for about a year or so, just because of how new the car is, so it couldn't have been on there for too much longer. But you know, other than my greasy handprint marks from actually taking it apart, this paint looks absolutely untouched, brand new from the factory. No sun fading or oxidation, sand pits or rock chips. You know, as long as the installer installs it correctly, it doesn't use any kind of adhesion promoter or glue, and you know, whoever is removing it knows how to remove it properly. You know, this is a great testament to how wrap can actually protect the original paint, and you can change the color at the exact same time. You know, there's what we actually peeled off there. So, but we're gonna go ahead and start disassembling this car. All right, guys, we got everything torn apart. Now we're actually gonna go ahead and start laying some color after one final wipe down. But this is what we were talking about when we said we like to disassemble everything for a flawless finish. Front rear bumper taken off, hood scoops, roof rail moldings. Didn't have to do the side skirts on these because we're able to tuck up underneath those, no problem. Door handles, absolute must. These rubbers, these all lift up super, super easy. So we got plenty of room to tuck up underneath those. Belt moldings, mirrors, especially the gas leg, I take those off as well. So we're gonna give this thing one final wipe down and we're gonna start laying some color. All right, the Challenger is finally all in one color. Like I said, we've got a bunch of other things that we're gonna do this as well, like I said in the very beginning of the video, but I'll show you a couple shots of what it looks like now wrapped in the matte military green. All right, guys, we got everything finished up. We got Zach's Dynamic Detailing over here now to go ahead and lay the special sauce, getting ready to do the ceramic coating on it. So hopefully y'all enjoy it. like, nah, I've looked homeless, and
You got to put that in there.
it's a blooper take.